Welcome to Decent Machinery, where we specialize in providing highly efficient and durable dust collection solutions. Today, Decent invites you to explore our production process and witness every meticulous detail. Decent can flexibly select different premium-grade materials according to customers' specific requirements and working conditions, such as high-temperature-resistant stainless steel, corrosion-resistant galvanized steel sheets, and lightweight aluminum alloys, to meet the unique demands of various operating scenarios. Whether it's high humidity, elevated temperatures, or environments with strong corrosive factors, we tailor optimal solutions that ensure long-term, stable performance even under the most challenging conditions. During the blanking process, Decent employs advanced laser cutting technology capable of handling thicknesses of up to 26 mm. This precision not only minimizes material waste, but also lays a precise foundation for subsequent manufacturing stages. In the bending phase, Decent integrates state-of-the-art forming techniques to guarantee exact bending angles and radii, resulting in a more robust and perfectly aligned product structure. Our efficient bending process enhances overall component strength while mitigating common issues such as stress concentration seen in traditional methods. Decent's welding procedures combine the strengths of automated machine welding and skilled manual welding. Automated welding ensures high accuracy and uniformity, while manual welding excels in handling complex geometries and intricate details. Each weld is meticulously inspected to ensure flawlessness. During assembly, Decent strictly adheres to standardized operating procedures, ensuring that all components fit together seamlessly. This rigorous approach not only enhances the system's airtightness but also guarantees stable, reliable performance. In contrast, inferior products often suffer from poor assembly, leading to high air leakage rates and compromised filtration efficiency. Our meticulous grinding process addresses every weld and seam, ensuring a smooth, even finish that elevates both the product's quality and appearance. Shot blasting effectively removes impurities and oxide layers from the metal surface, improving corrosion resistance and extending the service life of the dust collector. Decent's coating technology supports customizable color options and guarantees uniform, defect-free finishes. Each unit undergoes at least 3 comprehensive painting cycles, including at least 2 applications of high-performance anti-rust primer and 1 top coat. This ensures superior coating adhesion and corrosion resistance. Especially in the humid, rainy climates and highly corrosive environments of Southeast Asia, our optimized painting processes provide robust protection against long-term exposure, ensuring both durability and aesthetics. Decent maintains independent production lines for filter cages and filter bags, achieving self-sufficient manufacturing with controllable quality and lead times. Our filter cages offer exceptional corrosion resistance, available in galvanized or powder-coated finishes, and constructed from carbon steel or stainless steel to satisfy a wide range of operating conditions. This high-quality cage design far surpasses low-grade alternatives, which risk deformation or breakage and may compromise the dust collector's long-term stability. Additionally, Decent's filter bags can be tailored to customer specifications, utilizing PTFE, P84, Nomex, and other high-performance materials. Optional membrane coatings deliver water-repellent, oil-resistant, and anti-static functionalities, ensuring that the dust collector maintains high efficiency, stable operation even in the most demanding environments. Every Decent unit undergoes rigorous testing and quality control to meet our stringent ex-factory standards. We also offer secure, efficient marine shipping services, ensuring timely delivery to our customers worldwide. Decent Machinery, unwavering quality and service. We look forward to providing you with professional dust collection solutions. Feel free to contact us at any time.